Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Sharma and I am a student of BBA second year at Diwan Institute of Management Studies, Meerut. In the subject of Indian banking system, we have taken an initiative to spread awareness among the public. And my today's topic is Vijay Mallya's 9,000 crore rupees banking scam. In this video, you will learn what is Vijay Mallya's 9,000 crore rupees banking scam and the failure reason of the Tinfetter airline. So let's start. Vijay Mallya became the chairman of the United Beverage Group in 1983 after the death of his father. Under his leadership, United Beverage Group became the world's second largest liquor maker. Vijay Mallya made his father's business to grow into a conglomerate with a revenue of around $2.1 billion. Now, what is Vijay Mallya's 9,000 crore rupees banking scam? In 2005, Vijay Mallya entered into the airline industry and introduced Tinfetter Airlines. Very soon, Tinfetter Airlines became the first choice of the business class people and it acquired more than 22% market share. Vijay Mallya wants to expand his airline business and wants to fly Tinfetter Airlines on international routes. But the Indian government did not allow him because Tinfetter had completed only 2 years and it is mandatory to complete 5 years before flying international routes. To fulfill his motive, Vijay Mallya acquired Air Ditton, which was a loss-making international airline, and merged Air Ditton with the Tinfetter Airlines. But it could not make profit and was running in losses. To run this business, Vijay Mallya continuously took loans from 17 different public sector banks. Although the State Bank of India had declared Vijay Mallya as a bankrupt, but other banks kept lending funds to Vijay Mallya. The reason was that Vijay Mallya was a member of the Rajya Sabha and also other political parties also supported Vijay Mallya. Vijay Mallya had a loan of around 9,000 crore rupees, but he denied to repay this loan to the bank. Bank filed a case against Vijay Mallya, but before taking any legal action, Vijay Mallya flew to London. There is also a side story. It is said that a meeting was held between Vijay Mallya and the bank. In that meeting, Vijay Mallya offered bank to pay the principal amount of 6,800 crore rupees. But the bank denied his offer. Bank were demanding the interest of 2,002 crore also. Now, I will tell you the failure reason of the Tinfetter Airline. The first reason was the lack of business strategy. Tinfetter initially introduced low-cost airline and later shifted to premium class business airline. And very soon, Tinfetter Airlines shifted to the low-cost airline. As the company kept on changing its target segment, the passenger lost their interest in the Tinfetter Airlines. The second reason was the 2008 recession. The 2008 recession affected the entire world and it also affected the airline industry indirectly. As the rise in fuel prices, increase in airport costs, etc. The third reason was the lack of management. In the Tinfetter Airline, there was no long-term CEO or long-term managing director. And it is very important in any business to have a proper CEO long-term for its success or its failure. The fourth reason was the acquisition of the Air Ditton flight. There was no connection between the Air Ditton and the Tinfetter Airline. Every time there is a Air Ditton flight and there is a Tinfetter flight, a decision was made to cancel the Air Ditton flight and to run the 10-footer flight. But it did not work well as the potential customer shifted to their competitor. The last reason was the high operational cost. There is a very high operational cost in the airline industry as compared to other industries. High operational cost with very low profit margin had led to the downfall of the 10-footer airline. So this was all about this article. Hope it will help you. Thank you.